Welcome. Today we are continuing with paper 2 that we looked at yesterday. Kindly subscribe. Question 4a. State 6 teachings of St. Paul on the proper use of the gifts of the Holy Spirit in the church. Be used for common good, be used to encourage, to bring unity, appreciate all gifts. Gifts should be used in love. The gift of speaking in tongues should be minimized, that is in public. There should be interpretation if the gift of speaking in tongues is being used. Gifts should be used in an orderly manner. Prophecies should be evaluated. Question 4b. Explain the unity of believers as explained in the concept of the church, as found in Ephesians chapter 5 from verse 21 to 32. Symbol of marriage was used to show unity of believers. Christians are united to Christ just as the husband is united to the wife. Christ loves Christians just as the husband loves the wife. The church submits to Christ just as the wife submits to husband. Christ is the head of the church while the husband is the head of the family. The husband loves his own body and nourishes it just as Christ loves the church and nourishes it. Question 4c. Identify 6 factors that hinder effective cooperation among Christians in Kenya today. Greed for power, competitions for converts, materialism, discrimination, political interference, different interpretations or doctrinal differences, idol worship, lack of resources, poor infrastructure, language barrier, and inadequate funds. Question 5a. Identify similarities between the traditional African and the Christian view on human sexuality. So you're supposed to start with in both. Sexuality is a gift from God, is sacred, should be used only in marriage or procreation. There are rules on the use of the gift of sex. Elders or the old to get the youth regarding sexuality. All responsible sexual behaviors are condemned. Question 5b. Mention 7 factors that have led to the increase in intermarriage among communities in Kenya today. Employment, education, Christianity, migration, urbanization, language, modern means of transport, modern means of communication, sports, modern trade. Question 5c. 7 challenges that children from single parent families face in Kenya today. Identity crisis, social stigma, miss the love of one parent, psychological problems, discrimination, rejection, lack of basic needs. Question 6 here. How has science and technology improved human life today? Enabled to travel faster, pass information to large audience, work effectively, increase yields, reduces suffering, enhanced understanding environment, enhanced human life. Question 6b. Give 6 reasons why Christians are opposed to euthanasia. God gives life and only Him who can take it away. It equals to murder, destroys God's image, human judgment is limited, it is against medical ethics, it is against Jesus' mission. Suffering is part of life. Mercy involves saving life. It is constitutional right to uphold life. Question 6c. What is the place of Christians in curbing COVID-19 in Kenya today? Keeping distance, undergoing vaccination, frequent hand washing, wearing of face masks, avoid overcrowding, seeking medical attention in case of suspicion of attack, quarantine, or you isolate those who are affected. Did you understand? Finally, let me know in the comment section below and what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.